Thank you, Lord, for this day that you give. For this day that you give, forgive us. Everybody, come on, hello. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, hello. Your finger from your waist way down and touch your toes. And when you come up slowly and sing. We can choose to listen to and obey God. We can choose to follow all His rules. We can choose to do what's right, even when it's hard.
Sure. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sure. 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3,
4, 5. Jump! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4. Jump! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump! 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump! Are you jumping like a frog? Look! Yeah. Count the donuts. 1. Where's number 3? 3, 3, 3. Yes! Oh, count this one. 1, 2. Where's number 2? 2, 2. Where's the number 2? Where's number 2? Yes! Oh, count this one. Oh, it's okay, 1. Oh, it's okay. 1, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4, 5. Where's number 5? Look. Where's number 5? Look. Yes! High five. Great job. High five. Yes. 1. Ito to, bebe. 1, 2. Ito sa bebe. 1, 2, 3. Where's number 3? 3. Yes. Oh, count this donuts. No, it's okay, baby. It's okay. This one. 1, 1. How many? Where's number 2? Where's number 2? Where's number 2? Here. Where's number 2? Oh, it's okay. No. Okay. You just point where's number 2, okay? Count these donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I would help teacher.
5. Where's number 5? 5. Oh, stop. Yes. Oh, it's okay. Oh, count the donuts. 2, 4, 5, 6. 6. Where's number 6? It's okay. Where's number 6? Where's number 6? Where's number 6? Oh, where's number 6? Yes, number 6. 6. 6. Yay, high five. Great job. Yeah. 1, 3. Where's number 3? Yes. Okay, count the donuts. It's okay. 1, 2. Where's the number 2? Wow. 2. 2. Okay, count the donuts. 1, 5. Where's number 5? Yes. Oh, count the donuts. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's number 6? Yay! Great job. 1, 2. Count. 3. Yes, number 3. Where's number 3? 3. Yes! This one. 1, 2. Oh, where's number 2?
Mommy.
Two, 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 two. Yeah. Ah, one, two. Where's number two? Yes. Okay, count. One, two, three, four. Where's number five? Five, 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 five. Yes. Ah, ito pa, Alaya. More, more, Alaya, more. One, two, count. Three, five. Oh, six. Where's number six? Six, six. Yes. High five. Great job. High five. Wow. Count the strawberries. One, two, three, four. Count. Five, six, seven, eight. How many strawberries? How many strawberries? What number is this? Nine. Count the strawberries. One. Say it. Five, seven. How many strawberries? Nine. What number is this? Yeah. Naya, can you count the strawberries? One. How many strawberries? What number is this? Yes. No. You have to use the marker. Great job. Wow. Can you count the strawberries? One.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many strawberries?
10.
Na.
9.
What number is this?
9.
Yes, can you trace it? Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. How many plants are these? One.
I want this.
Oh, sige. One. You count. 1,
2,
3.
4.
Where is number 4 here? Where is number 4? Oh, you put a check. This one. Ito, the check. Oh, put the check in number 4. Where is number 4? Wow. 4, 1. Where is this? The number 4. 4. Yes. You count the dragonfly. 1, 2. Oh, you count. Dali. 1. 1.
Nakita ko yung tao.
Oh, sige, count mo na. 1, 2, 3. Yes, where's number 3? Oh, where's number 3? Yes, oh, you put the check there. Put a check in number 3. Put a check in number 3. Go. Number 3. Number 3. Sa number 3. Number 3. Sa number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. This, where's number 3? This 1, 5, 3, 7. Where's number 3? Number 3. Yeah. Yes. Okay. High five. Okay. Yeah, count the birds. 1, 4, 5. Where's number 5? Put the check. Put the check in number 5. Here. Where's number 5? Oh, go. Put a check. Yes. High five. Great job, Alia. Okay. Priya, count the mushrooms. 1, 2. Where's number 2? Number 2. Number 2? Yay! High five! Great job! Oh, go! Yes!